Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Margarita from my lifestyle journals. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I am making for dinner, the low carb version of steak and salad. Tonight's dinner is simple, delicious and weight loss friendly. I'm serving pan-seared steak with a fresh, crunchy salad made with romaine lettuce. It's high in protein, low in carbs and keeps me full for hours. You don't need fancy recipes to eat healthy, just real whole foods that you enjoy. If you're a busy mom over 40 looking for easy meal ideas, you are in the right video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment meal plan if you would like my free low carb meal plan. Alright, I will see you in my next video. Cheers!